Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way in which you can get yourself a free virtual credit card today. So virtual credit cards can be useful for a ton of different reasons, but the main reason is basically just to protect your payment. So as you can see on this website, there's a few reasons of why you might want one. You can mask your credit card details and pay without providing your actual card number. So if you're buying something off a dodgy site and you don't really want to put your actual card details in, all you can do is use one of these virtual credit cards. And you can basically use it for one payment if you wanted to. Say you're only buying one thing for $10 and you're not planning to buy from that website again. What you can do is load $10 into this card and you can buy from that site without having to worry about your card details getting stolen. Now there's a few other things you can do. You can block overcharging, fraud attempts and unwanted subscriptions. So if you were planning to sign up for a subscription to get a free trial, but you're planning on cancelling it, instead it says a one-time payment, so once they take that fee, you can forget about it and you won't end up being charged a month later. And the third and final point that they say is set spend limits. Pause, unpause and close cards anytime. So if you use cards for multiple different things and you need different spend limits on them, that's all able to be controlled inside of privacy.com. So what you first want to do is head over to this website, privacy.com, and you just need to make an account. So what we're going to do is click sign up. But if you've already got an account, just click login, but I don't have one, so I'm going to sign up now. So I've now signed up for privacy.com and also verified my account. Once you've done that, it'll bring you to this page, and as you can see, there's a little checklist on stuff we can do. So the next step after creating your account is to create your first privacy virtual card. So we're just going to click this blue button down here. So as you can see, it says switch your subscription and bills to a privacy card. Protect yourself from hidden fees, unexpected price increases, and double charges. So this is a really good idea, because if you're signed up to any of these companies, as you will know, every so often they do slowly creep up the prices, and they might do it so slowly you don't even realise. And you could be better off switching and being with a different provider that is cheaper. So a good use case for this is to have a set account. So for example, a T-Mobile account, and you can have it so it only takes out a certain amount. So say your package was £50 a month, you can set it to £50. And then as soon as they start creeping it up and making it more expensive, automatically the card will be declined and you'll be able to know what's gone on. And you'll be able to understand what's happened. So if you're going to use this for loads of things, it can be really useful for having stuff like this. So you can have one for Steam, one for Discord, one for Xbox One. If you use multiple things, you're not going to get mixed up and confused. Now you don't have to choose one of these. You can click skip and create your own custom card, but for the sake of the video, I'm just going to click this one, Steam. So if we have loads of these cards and we want to make sure that we're not getting mixed up with them, what you can do is click on this. Click on a card, go to the top right corner and click these three dots here. Now from here there's a load of cool options. We can change it to a different card if we wanted to. Say we wanted to turn this into a Netflix one, we can choose this. So we can customise it a bit of these emojis. You can just basically customise it how you like and have it match the thing that you're buying. So just basically customise it as you want, just so you know what card it is. So once we've added that, we want to carry on completing our profile. So click on this. Say what you're going to use it for and just type in your information here. So once you've completed all them steps, your profile will then be complete. And from there, you then want to connect a funding source. So what a funding source basically means is a way to fund these cards. So you can link it to a different card you have. So it takes money from there, puts it into here, and then runs it through your virtual cards when you're buying something. So once you've done that, you can then change your custom spends. As you can see, there's a few different spends, so we can add spend limits and basically customize it to how we want. So we can do custom limits on this. Automatically, it'll be $1,250 over a period of 7 days. But what we can do is customize this. So if you want it a lot less or a lot more, we can do that with privacy.com. So there's tons of different customization and good little options like that will help you out. So once you've done that, set up your daily spend and complete your profile, you're now ready to spend with your card. So I can't access it right now because I haven't fully completed my profile. But when you click on this, you'll be able to see your details of your card. From there, when you're buying something from our website, you can just input these virtual credit card details in, and it will take the money from your funding source and run it through the card, and you'll be 100% safe. Now, it's worth noting that Privacy.com is US only, so luckily there are a few alternatives to Privacy.com if you are living outside of the USA. So another website which you can do this for is Juni. However, this is mainly for businesses. So as you can see, business accounts that work smarter and harder. And as you can see, it says today, Juni is available for companies registered in the UK, the EU and Norway. We hope to bring Juni to customers worldwide soon. So if you're a business and you still want to go ahead and do this, what you can do is sign up. And then once you're signed up, you just need to say a bit about your company. So you need to release an official bank statement dated within the past 3 months. You need to say a bit about your directors and owners. You need to complete the user invitation tab. You have to verify your identity, and you also have to sign your application. So once you've done that, you'll then be eligible to access Juni's virtual credit cards, and you'll be able to use these for your business and really help streamline things. Now, if you're in the UK, there are a few more ways to do this. Companies like Revolut also do virtual credit cards, so if you're inside the UK, you can actually access this. I'm not sure if it's other countries as well. It might be Europe as well that can access this. So if you want a personal virtual credit card for yourself, it's worth having a look at Revolut if you live in UK or EU and just checking things out and seeing if you are actually eligible to make your own account and create your own virtual cards. So as you can see, we're on Revolut's website now, and we're on the tab where it says about virtual cards. And down here is the bit where it says, how do I get a virtual card? So the way to actually get a virtual card in Revolut is to open an app, is to head into the app and open up the cards section. So from there, you'll see your normal Revolut cards. And if you just swipe through to the Get New Revolut card screen, you'll have the option for a physical or a virtual card. Now, physical means like your traditional normal card. And obviously virtual card's the one we're looking for. If you were to use a virtual card, so if you did want to use a virtual card, you can select virtual card and you can just keep adding it from there. And then you can make multiple, you can change the colour of them in there, and you can basically just customise all them exactly how you like, so that you can get it. So you can customise them to look what you want, and you can use them for whatever purpose you may find useful. So I hope this video has successfully helped you to get your own virtual credit card. If it did, please comment down below to say that helped you out. If it didn't and you can't get one in the country you're in, comment down below and I'll try help you out with a website. Comment down below and I'll try help you out with a website that will be able to make it work. So if you did find this video helpful, comment down below. So if you did find this video helpful, like and subscribe for more content like this, and thank you for watching.